first birthday, Pax. Hangad ko ang iyong magandang kalusugan, lumaki kang matalino, may takot sa magulang. Wishing you all the best and happy birthday from your Lola.
Happy first birthday, Paco! We love you!
Happy birthday, Paco! Sana lumaki ka na very respectful. Tapos, sana malaman mo na we will love you no matter what.
Ha?
Mag-message ka na raw.
Happy birthday, Paco!
May you grow up to be a good boy and God-fearing with good health. Love you, Paco.
I love you, Paco.
Happy birthday, Paco! Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng pangarap mo at saka maalala mo na nandito lang kami para supportahan ka. Happy birthday!
Huwag mong pasasakitin ng ulo ng iyong mommy.
Happy
birthday,
Paco!
Hi Paco, I hope you grow up to be just like our parents, very passionate about taking care of their children and other people around them. And I hope you grow up to be handsome like Papa.